Yo, I am Zcash and a DAS Maximalist. Zcash is the best privacy coin right now, and DAS is the best decentralized storage system right now. If you don't believe me, go to their network and see it. DAS got what Ethereum don't have, and it's cheaper to transact in Dash. When you come to Zcash, it's the privacy HTTP. You can transact all tokens privately in there with their Zebra network. Don't miss out, guys. I'm telling you right now, before it's too late. Jump on Dash and Zcash before it's too late.